YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm pretty excited to unbox this. This one's the VLOXO cordless electric scissor, electric box cutter with the two type blades. It is a rechargeable cordless scissor powerful shear cutting tool. You could cut cardboard, fabric, carpet, leather, felt, or whatever arts and craft that you need to cut. So they come with a charging adapter and a carrying case. Either way, they have many different colors for you to choose from. So yeah, be sure to check out the link that's going to show within the description, so you could check them out or select the color that you like. And I'd like to give a shout out to Martin from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go and then unbox it and check it out. So right here is the product descriptions that I just went over. Got the nice carrying case with the zipper. And right here is the wrist strap for you to carry around. Right here is the user manual or user guide. So this is a 4-volt lithium battery. Speed is 10,000 RPM. So yeah, they have different multiple languages. So. And the product is made in China. This is the charging adapter. This is the extra blade. So there's no safety protection, so make sure you put this guard, like a rubber guard, in case you have children or pet around. So right here there's a unlock, so you can change the blade and slide it out. Okay. And when you slide in, you don't need to press this button. So yeah, let's go ahead and test it out. So imagine I have this fabric that I need to cut. So yeah, that was pretty fast. And I imagine you have a gift card or credit card that I need to cut it out with your names on it. Yeah, you gotta hold it in certain position or else it's just gonna get cut on the blade. So you need to lift it upward instead of going downward. Because the blade has to be perpendicular with the card. So I was gonna cut like this. It's not gonna go anywhere. So. So yeah, it is pretty quick. Imagine I had to use scissors. That's why I get the blister on my thumb using too much scissor. So we got this bubble envelope. As you see, when you open, it's kind of messed up. See if I can try to cut it straight. Wow, look at that. Straight cut. Or for example, some kind of wrapping paper. This one's kind of wrinkled, but let's see. We could try on this one, but I'm not sure it's too thick or let's see. Wow, I guess not. So yeah, it's pretty strong, and cut it in a flash. Got this rubber grip for non-slip. And just plug in here to charge it. So when you plug in, the red LED light will come on. Once it's fully charged, you could probably just turn it off. So yeah, there you have it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And be sure to check out the links so you guys check them out. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.